troubleshooting might not be enough for this specific issue. Here are some advanced solutions to try. Advanced troubleshooting. 1. Check Roblox Studio logs. Open Roblox Studio and navigate to File, Settings greater than Studio, Output. Look for any error messages related to the failing experiences. These messages can provide valuable clues about the specific cause. 2. Disable debug mode. Open Roblox Studio and navigate to File, Settings greater than Studio, General. Uncheck the Enable Debug Mode option. This can sometimes interfere with experiences loading properly. 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as well as any temporary files from the Roblox installation directory. This can remove corrupted data that might be causing the issue. 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Roblox Player Launcher and select Run as Administrator. This grants the application elevated permissions, which can sometimes help resolve issues related to file access. 5. Reset network settings. This can help if your network configuration is causing problems with connecting to Roblox servers. However, be aware that this will reset all your network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords. 6. Disable IPv6. Some users have reported success by temporarily disabling IPv6 on their network adapters. This is a complex solution and might not be suitable for everyone. Research the potential impact before trying. 7. Change DNS servers. Try using alternative DNS servers like Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8 or OpenDNS 208.67.220.220. This can sometimes bypass issues with your default DNS provider. 8. Use a VPN. In rare cases, a VPN can help if your ISP is throttling or blocking Roblox traffic. However, using a VPN can also introduce latency and performance issues, so use it as a last resort. Additional tips. Report the issue. If none of these solutions work, consider reporting the issue to Roblox support. They can investigate further and provide more specific assistance based on your case. Check for specific experience issues. Some experiences might have known loading issues. Look for information on the specific experience you're trying to load through community forums or the experience's creators' social media. Join the Roblox developer community. If you're comfortable with advanced technical troubleshooting, consider joining the Roblox developer community forums. They have dedicated sections for discussing technical issues and can offer more in-depth assistance. Remember, the specific solution might vary depending on the root cause of the problem. If you're unsure about any of these steps or encounter further difficulties, seeking help from the Roblox community or contacting Roblox support is always recommended.